Good morning and welcome to a day in my life as a junior doctor here in the UK. Today is a training day, so I wake up at around 8 AM and take care of some personal hygiene so I can look presentable on Microsoft Teams. Yes, that's right, today I get to train from home and get paid, so I guess you can call it working from home. Just allow me, okay? Anyway, next, here's me making some aesthetic breakfast for the vlog. Normally I'll either have some muesli or scrambled eggs on toast, but since I don't have any travelling to do today, I decided to make myself some poached eggs on toast, seasoned with a dash of pepper. I guess you can call that gourmet, or something like that. I also pour myself a glass of OJ to get those early vitamins in.
Hey. When it come to you, pistol like buzz, issue with trust. Won't let no one get a piece of your love. Yeah, base it on loyalty, base it on us. I ain't the picture perfect type.
After breakfast, teaching begins for the day, so I log into my computer, check out the schedule for the day, put my desk into stand mode for the first lecture of the day. #DeskFlex. I love having this feature and definitely feel like the sit stand has improved my quality of life whenever I remember to use it, which I must admit is very rare. But we're working on that. Today we're learning about what to do in some acute scenarios like alcohol intoxication and oncological emergencies, so that's cancer. Quite a lot of it is stuff that I should already know from medical school, but there's no harm in a healthy amount of repetitive reinforcement to make sure I really feel confident in the hospital. We have 2 lectures this morning and then an hour for lunch. Fantastic. For lunch, I heat up some food I meal prepped over the weekend, and this forms some heavily seasoned chicken tikka for the gains, rice for the carbs, and veg for the health. I'm also drinking some aloe vera because apparently it's good for your skin, or they say so. For me, it just tastes good, so I guess it's a win-win. I then sit on the balcony and munch this food. I try to be productive and read through some self-growth articles. PS, for full disclosure, I was 90% scrolling through Instagram reels and 10% actually reading the articles. After lunch, I decide it's time for a scenery change and head to a local cafe my girlfriend's sister had recommended to me. I get ready to head out and make a scenic walk over to the cafe. I then order a cheeky oat flat white and get back to the teaching day for the 2 afternoon lectures, which takes me up to around 4:30 PM, which is the end of the day in terms of work. This is when the real fun starts, am I right? JK. This evening I have a few plans. I need to go to the Apple store to fix my Apple Watch, go to the gym and begin working on editing this vlog as I'm working long shifts this weekend and won't have time otherwise. So first I go back to the apartment, collect a parcel from one of these fancy collection points we have, drop off my bag and head to the Apple store. I go to the store, chat to some guy, hand him my watch and get a new one in replacement. And that, my friends, is Apple customer service for you. After this, I go to the gym for a cheeky workout. Today I'm just working out in the gym downstairs for all of the residents. If you haven't already, check out my flat tour for a full tour of the apartment and also all of the amenities. After my workout, I head back upstairs and continue my journey towards optimal health, and therefore put a pizza in the oven. #health is wealth. I think it's completely justified after a hard day of saving lives on Microsoft Teams. Anyway, with dinner in my belly, I spend the rest of my evening watching Netflix, chatting to my girlfriend on FaceTime and casually editing on my laptop. At the moment I'm watching Clickbait. It's really good and I watch it in real time with my girlfriend. So that's the end of my day. Good night friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life. I'll be sure to make many more vlogs. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and comment down below. #algorithm. As always, stay safe, stay happy, and I'll see you guys very soon.